Hi, today we are going to learn about parameters annotation. What is the use of parameters? To avoid hard-coded values in the test case, we are using parameters. How to do that? First, we have to set up parameters tag in XML. Already we should have XML file. In that, after test block, we are using parameter tag. Here I have used URL and browser as parameters. First we have to define the parameter values like this. Here I have two test cases, Google test and HRM test, and I have defined two parameters as well. After this, I am going to base test. Base test is my parent class. This base test is extended to my test cases, Google test and HRM test. And then first we have to define parameters, and we have to put the value which is already defined in the XML file, URL and browser. We can put any number of parameters like this, parameters, URL and browser, which are defined in the XML file. After this, we have to pass these parameter values to the method. Here I have setup method. So I have to pass URL as string, browser as string, and which is extended to Google test and HRM test. This is how we are defining parameters. So we have avoided parameters and hard-coded values in the test case. Before that I have driver.get google.com and here driver.get HRM. That value I have moved to XML file, and then these parameters I have defined in the base test as @parameters. Now I am going to run this. Now you can see how parameters are working. First, Google test case will be executed, then HRM test case will be executed, and the value of parameters will be taken from XML file. Already we have set up XML file. This XML file will be saved in different resource file. And also we can do parallel testing like this with the help of test runner. Now I have defined as in the Chrome. We can do Chrome, Firefox, Edge, any browser we can do. We can execute test cases like this. Now Google test is passed. Now test runner is moving to HRM test.